Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Blitz Audios. Today we will be looking at some tips and tricks for mental ability test. Let us talk about sense of direction. This will be very helpful to crack Olympiads, NTSE and NSE exams. Please watch our introduction episode to know more about sense of direction. Let's begin, shall we? Now, this is the first question. A girl is facing northeast. She turns 90 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction and then 135 degrees in the clockwise direction. Which direction is she facing now? Option A, west. Option B, east. Option C, north. Option D, south. Now, let's draw the direction diagram for this question. So, this is north, south, east, west. Okay, so northeast, northwest, southwest, and southeast. Okay, so first the girl is facing northeast. So first she's facing in this direction. Then she turns 90 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means like this. Okay. So 90 degree means from one main direction to another main direction or to the consecutively or one cardinal direction to another cardinal direction consecutively. So anti-clockwise is in this direction. So the next cardinal direction coming is northwest. So after turning 90 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction, she'll be facing northwest. Okay. Now, and then 135 degrees in the clockwise direction. Now 135 is equal to 90 plus 45. So 90 degree equal to reverse here plus 45 degree means the half of 90 degree. So from northeast to east till here. So which direction is she facing now? Now, this time she's facing east. So the correct option is B, east. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. From his house, Rajesh went 20 kilometers north. Then he turned west and covered 15 kilometers. Then he turned south and covered 10 kilometers. Finally, turning to east, he covered 15 kilometers. In which direction is he from his house? Option A, east. Option B, west. Option C, north. And option D, south. Now, let's draw the direction diagram for this question. So, this is Rajesh's starting point. We will call it A. And he went 20 kilometers north. Now, north means upwards. So, he went 20 kilometers north. Okay. Then he turned west and covered 15 kilometers. Now west is to the left as given here and traveled 15 kilometer. 15 kilometer. We call these points B and C. Okay. Then he turned south. Now south means downward. And then he covered 10 kilometers. So 10 kilometers would be approximately there. We'll call this point D. And finally turning to east. So east means to the right. And he covered 15 kilometers. So 15 kilometers would be exactly same as BC. So this will become 15 kilometer. We'll call this point E. Now, in which direction is he from his house? Now this means that if someone is looking from point A to Rajesh, in which direction will he be? Now Rajesh will be to the north of the house because we can see that point E is in the north of A. So the correct answer is option C, north. Let's move on to the next question. Mr. Yen went 10 meters to the north. He then turned west and covered 5 meters. He again turned south and covered 2 meters. Again he turned east and covered 5 meters. In which direction is Mr. Yen now from his starting point? A. North, B. South, C. East, and D. West. Let's draw the direction diagram for this question. Now, this is Mr. Yen's starting point. We'll call this point A. And he went 10 meters to the north. So, this will be 10 meters. And this point, we can call this point B. He then turned west. So west means to the left. So he turned to the left and covered 5 meters. This will be 5 meters. And the ending point, we'll call it point C. He again turned south and covered 2 meters. So 2 meters should be approximately like this. Okay. Again he turned east. Now east is to the right and he covered 5 meters. 5 meters will be exactly same to line BC. So this will be point D and this will be point E. In which direction is Mr. Yen from his starting point? Now this is similar to the previous question. And if someone was there in point A and looking to point E, then Mr. Yen would be in north. So in this case, the correct answer is again north. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. The fourth question. While facing west, you turn right and walk 5 meters. Then turn to your right and walk 5 meters. And now you turn 45 degrees towards your left and walks straight to cover 20 meters. Now, in which direction are you from your starting point? Option A, northeast. Option B, southwest. Option C, southeast. Option D, northwest. Now, let's draw the direction diagram for this question. Okay. So, now at the first you were facing west. So you're facing west and then you turn right. So if you're facing west and you turn right, then you will be facing north. And you turn to the north and walk 5 meters. Okay, so this is your starting point. And you walk 5 meters. We'll call this point A and point B. Then you turn to your right. So if you're facing north and you turn right, it means that you will be facing east. So east is this direction and you walk 5 meters. 5 meters. We'll call this point C. And now you turn 45 degrees towards your left. Now 45 degrees means from one main direction to the nearest cardinal direction, or from one cardinal direction to the nearest main direction. So 45 degrees towards your left. So left in this case means anti-clockwise, which means in this direction. So it would mean that 45 degree when you're facing east, if you turn 45 degree anti-clockwise, then you will be turning to northeast. Now northeast would be like this. Okay, so and 20 meters. Now in which direction are you from your starting point? Now you can see that this line is approximately equal to this point diagonal. So it means that it would be the direction from C. So it would be same as from the C direction. So in this case, it is facing northeast. So the correct answer is northeast. Now, this is our last question. If northeast becomes north, southeast becomes east, and so on, what will south become? Option A, northeast. Option B, southeast. Option C, south. And option D, southwest. Now, let's draw the direction diagram for this question. Now, these are the main directions: north, south, east, and west. And these are the cardinal directions: northeast, northwest, southwest, and southeast. Now, if northeast becomes north, so northeast becomes north, so it will be this arrow, and southeast becomes east, so southeast becomes east, and so on. Now we can see a pattern over here, so which is east to northeast, north to northwest, northwest to west, west to southwest, southwest to south, and south to southeast. Now this is a pattern and is going in the anti-clockwise direction. So what will south become? So if northeast becomes north, southeast becomes east, it means that south would move 45 degrees anti-clockwise, which would mean that it would be in southeast. So the correct answer is option B, southeast. And that's all, folks. We hope that you enjoyed this video. To be a part of our journey, please subscribe to our channel, Brain Blitz Audios. Until the next episode. Bye bye.